First, let's see what's the magnetic field at the center of the loop. So for a small element dl, the magnetic field at center is given by Biot-Savart's law, this. Now r vector is in magnitude is same as the radius of this circle, and also dl and r are perpendicular. So 1r will get cancelled. This will be mu naught I dl by 4 pi r square. Now limits of dl will be from 0 to 2 pi r. We are completing the whole circle and we will get our result. So this is the field at the center of a current carrying loop. Now what is the field at an axial position which is at a distance x? So again we'll take a small current element dl, and due to this dl, the small field dB at this point will be again given by Biot-Savart's law. Now here r vector and dl vector are perpendicular to each other. So this dl cross r becomes dl into r. So 1r will get cancelled. This will be r square. And r square is capital R square plus x square. Now by symmetry, net field will only be in axial direction. So because of this dl component, field is here. So you can imagine that because of the exactly opposite 1 dl component here, the field will be like this, in this direction. So the y components will get cancelled and only component left will be in x direction. So by symmetry, net field will only be in axial direction. So total field B I can write as dB cos theta. dB cos theta, because dB sin theta component will get cancelled by this dl. So inside this we'll write cos theta as, this is theta, so this is also theta. So cos theta is capital R upon root of r square plus x square. So here except dl, everything is constant. So dl limit will go from 0 to 2 pi r and we will get our answer. So this is field at an axial position at a distance x, and this is field at the center of the loop.